Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all is well with you. Happy weekend to you. Today's date is 31st January 2026, and we are here again to go through a very important update. Few days ago, we watched the video of Gentle the Yahoo and the makeup and other commanders, Butuzo. The video is all over the place. Ndị na-ewu ọwa na-enwe ndị na-ebe a na-ebe. Just like when Nigerian Army reported that they have fired him, they have carried out joint task operation, whatever. You know how military normally put their statements? They did it. They said they carried out an operation that actually ended, those commanders' life and all that. When they made that publication, many people felt, betrayed. Many people felt so pained, and some rejoiced, of course. Some, they jubilated. They were celebrating and rejoicing over that news. But just like life is always like that, on Sunday or Wednesday. That is what it means. So, but we are here to go through what has happened after there is a first of Gentle the Yahoo and other commanders. People have reacted on that, different reaction, different comments. Some even said, oh, so Nigerian Army actually lied. Some said, I thought they said they fired him. What is going on? So the reaction is somehow mixed. But something is very, very interesting. Something that caught my attention is this idea of acting as if without Nigerian Army, you will not have a better source on what is going on, because Gento actually mocked the haters, those who hate him, and he was like, I am here despite all you have done to get me out. I am still here. Normally I wouldn't have reacted on this, but I have to because of this. Just watch this. But before then, like the video. Okay, like this video. I want to share a short clip from Nigerian Army for you to hear. So please do me a favor. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So this is I think Nigerian Army. I don't know his post. He says something very, very interesting here, and I wanted to hear that.
Official report on the existence of that video. However, what I can say is that in this current dispensation of AI, artificial intelligence, it is possible to create anything just to destabilize and cause panic within the society. Notwithstanding, as you said now, we will initiate necessary action with the relevant security agencies to confirm if official.
Now, that they are going to carry out investigation to confirm if the video of Gentle is real or fake. The question is, why is Gentle a wanted man? Like, why are they going after him? What is, I don't understand. Because from what he said now, that if let's assume they confirm truly Gentle is that is not AI. From what he said, that they will start planning again on how to eliminate him. When are they going to start planning on how to eliminate Boko Haram and terrorist sponsor financier? That's a story a question that nobody wants to answer, isn't it? And Gentle, those calling for his head, are they not? It's not about politics, or is there anything that warrants that kind of determination to make sure that they're quite gentle, they do this and do that? I'm just asking because I wonder why they're doing that. You can see they're making this statement after revealing or announced that they have fired him. Does it mean that they did not confirm or they thought that he, out of fear, he will not suffice. I don't understand who actually made that announcement. What is the source of the news for an army to make a public statement that they have eliminated somebody and that person later return or resurfaced, and the army is not telling that they're going to carry out another investigation to confirm it, that the recent AI video and all that, anything is possible. Honestly, I pity AI. AI have suffered in the hands of Nigerians, in the hands of black people. Everything now is AI. Once, even if you say good morning, they'll say no, it's AI. If you say that okay, I love you, they'll say no, that love is not from you, it's AI that said it. Everything that does not go well or go in line with what they want, they will say is AI. Anyway, let's go back to the base. All right. So that is what Nigerian Army said, the publication they made on how to carry out this, investigation. But the thing is this: are they going to hold somebody responsible for lying to the public that they fired somebody? Because that announcement, I remember some Yoruba journalists, that said, they sat down on the stations and began to analyze it, bragging on how they carried that and all that. A man called Jide, that fat Yoruba man that called Jide. He was on top of the news. They were kind of interviewing him. He was one to discuss on how they carried that operation and everything. He was so happy. And in the other hand, Sunday Igboho is already free man. He's not a free man. I'm not against Sunday Igboho being a free man. Don't get it twisted. But like I always tell you, it's always good for you to know what they're actually doing, and that will help you to know where you belong in one country. They are celebrating that they buy any Igbo and everything. Some of them say there's a panic in the house, that the appearance or the surface of the gentle and commanders is a way of showing that the region is not actually going to be calm, that they did it. I watched Jovika saying that after they did what they did, that people should appreciate. They need to appreciate Kesh also, appreciate Udele, appreciate everybody, that they are the one that make sure that anybody go again, or anybody go calm. So now that he's surfaced, I have tried to hear from Gentle, not the Gentle, to watch Ikenga, not Ikenga, sorry, Udele video. Udele was like telling them that he don't blame him, he blame anybody, that they deceive Nigerian army, that politicians deceive Nigerian army, giving excuses. Okay, it's good to give excuse, but if Gentle and Beverly Liberation Army are the problem until you get rid of them, now that they have resurfaced, showing that, because they were bragging that Christmas was awesome because those commanders are no more. Okay, so now they have returned and you confirm that Christmas was awesome and peaceful, no problem. So who is now the one violence? Because violence can only, if they actually feed on violence and everything. Why is that they did not do anything that you guys are celebrating that Christmas was awesome? Because to them they are no more. Now that you notice that they actually exist, then who is not the one committing those crimes? Your guess is as good as mine. Please make sure you like the video and let me know what you think about this. Now I want to hear from you. Nigerian Army is saying that it is possible to be an AI. Military react to online trending video of IPOB leader Gentle Yahoo vow to take decision to take decisive action. So Nigerian Army have vowed to take decisive action. Anyway, I don't know. Like I always tell you, is the anything security is something that I'm trying to avoid, and not to say what may trigger something. You know what I mean? Because from both sides, from Nigerian side and from the Biafran side, because whether I say it or not, what must be must be. So I don't think I'm not a leader. I'm not commanding anything. So anybody trying to say something, you can say anything. Let's hear from you anyway. I want to know your take. What if you are to advise Nigerian army? What will you tell them? Are you going to tell them to carry on and start looking for them again? Now that they are calm, I don't know, because they have proven that they are calm since December, even to November as well. Once they made that announcement, they buy them everywhere begin to calm down. We are not hearing twice. We are not hearing twice. Even though few of them. But the moment they bring this aggression that they want to go out and look for them and all that, I think it's going to be a wrong move. In my own opinion, I think it's going to be a wrong move. And you know what that means. It may end up triggering something because Gentle, Yahoo, and their group said that they were poisoned. And the way he sound, he have a suspect or he have evidence of those who made it possible. You never know. You don't believe in anything. So he somehow, is in a very, very difficult corner. Anything you said that may have a very negative effect. Anything you do may have a very positive effect. So, but only people that can do that and spell it out the way it's supposed to be are no other than people that actually involved. You know what I mean? They are the one. Anyway, let me know what you think. And please subscribe to the channel and see you again. Take care of yourself. Bye bye for now.